Now to the game a coach say is because of traveling errands. Mo ekom or they site fatigue. Said this is the only reason to this loss are Bismarck. I can tell you for a fact, say the coach is wrong. The coach is wrong in the sense that he started this Ghana Premier League 2024-2025. Kotoko problem energy distribution. Energy on the starting games, that is not how they end.
There's a coach. And that's our problem no.
Our problem no.
And yet this two quine ball a Legon cities ball Timber Moko Basiki Olistas
Basiki Legon cities
Samates
no
Opemsuo
some Basiki Holistas Legon cities Out of Lions. This is the 3 games sir.
There's a 3 games from our ball at Twaso within, let's say, be a one.
Their last 3 league games.
Okay.
Basiki away, Legon City away, Lions your home. And now Lions lost no. Our explain said they lost because the traveling errands to these league centers. My team no, I a little bit tired, into fatigue as a team. But me person say reason when Kwana head coach the my then this is peculiar problem at this season. For the Kotoko team so this reason me am a microphone and I will not take it.
Say been so afraid no hu ana. Omo ball basike ebo ball Legon cities e ball Heart of Lions e twas na bia afraid na ohun say game some ball na me ensa twas no ene kan obi na boys na brebre.
You no say Afena wohu. I will side with him say Afena wohu. But this is a coach at Bismarck. Anytime your question no as to why the team is not able to put up that energy or the starting game, no coach reason they say because the team wants to win the game and the team wants to finish the game early. They exert a lot of energy during the start of the game and inside the first half, and in the second half they are not able to maintain that energy out the start here. And what is the problem? This coach explained to us some matches that was played na Kotoko stamina issues, but this coach gave an explanation say the boys exert a lot of energy when the league game starts. And we see your bema second half, you say opponent strength comes to display. So I think said this reason, dear Bismarck, me I will not take it.
Okay.
My reason why I will not take it is this angle. The head coach now, Dr. Ogum no go boy or you astute.
Coach Bash.
And now, what about a team? Okra a blend of local talent, young talent, and players are Ghana Premier League na che. Now so you underrate yomo. It wouldn't go Bismarck. If you're not tactically sound, if your players don't put in extra mentality, it will be very difficult. I don't want to relate it to tactical issues because coach is there and yet the Diana or more tactics effort. And the almighty Pep Guardiola, after 2 seasons, we're going to concede 4 goals in the Champions League. And the coach is there. That's not an angular. My analysis is free. Tactics there. On a day, you will get it wrong. But we are established coach. Say you get your tactics wrong. That is the difference between an established coach and a coach that is also not being established. Established ones, they always get their tactics right. Ebia once in a blue moon be no be able to be for the show. And I think the reason a coach at the Mayan after the game against Out of Lions there. This is a reasoner since the start of this season when the players and young getting involved in this traveling regime, in this traveling schedule, you could hardly see the team giving out the same energy they started the game with. Energy no more started and no one no baby. Coach, what you want my home emwaye, what ye and watching ye, what you want. So I'm going against Out of Lions. Now my reasoner. Indeed, the routine looks tedious. Because so go more El Basiki, no travel to Accra, no Babedru, Kumasi.
Opemsuo.
Report scratch said the team didn't train before the game against Out of Lions because they had to rest and also make some recovery routines before the game. So they were not very fortunate to train before the game against Out of Lions. Meanwhile, Out of Lions team now no all back against Kotoko. Open teams at this season, we are difficult to beat Out of Lions. Out of Lions, I recorded the highest number of draws. And this is a team, you bet you can say, or no, he's not giving a 5-star performance, or also so he's not giving you below belt performance. And to you have to put in a lot of energy. And I think the traveling errands, the traveling schedule, is a cause to complain, but that's not the main reason. Because the team had this problem since the start of the season against young Africans. Anyone or here Kotoko, young apostles. You could see say extra minutes Kotoko. There are so many games at this season. Kotoko fans plead this referee pong because looking at the energy opponent against the opponent at Kotoko now, game no top at Twaswa. The opponent might equalize.
So I think no lack stamina.
They lack stamina.
Okay.
Obia Alex, Chama Alex ne menya adwene, but Obia follow team ni bia nim say this season you starting Kotoko energy or the starting. That's not how or the ending. Until I was expecting the coach to have given us a different reason than fatigue. Because fatigue in the you starting nana signal na shase.
Only Chama Kokwa Bonsaki 5 adwene say problem no every technical team nana.
Problem no dey me say the entire Kotoko family in free technical team. Everyone at the helm of affairs now at Kotoko. Supporters front, management front.
How?
Because Obia should have a division of powers. Also, medical kase Dr. Ogum. The appointment at Kotoko is quite different from the normal football appointment. A normal football club, quite almost so yeah, coach's appointment, Dr. Ogum appointment at Kotoko is different. Is different in the sense that he is serving a role at the management level and also serving as the head coach. Mr. Nebecha, I say, but why I said Dr. KK is upon time. After a league game, the coach has to meet management people. Not sad time, staged for only technical reasons at management meeting. And to who coach, league game we are. You be rest season more. You go and meet these people, explain to them the tactics, the formation, the direction. Who head coach? Opesa with the team no a drive it to. So management they raise queries to the other two women, no. But in this case,
sir, and also yes, I'm interfere coach in a
you are not interfering. You are giving reports to your superiors.
So was it before the game?
Before the game and after the
game.
game.
Kobo match. Me coach when I players in the training. Yeah, training during the week. But who say ABA coach no during the day no and a week no match I kobo no player A omwa me formation besem kobo. This am for player B. Nasa me be share management said they working. No more case there be player A last week game no wa money ye. And to this game I kobo ye person for player B. ABA do player
management didn't impose decisions on the coach.
No, yes, also so more.
You have to explain and convince management.
It is all convincing now no say player resigns last week one money ye. It's not for we boy.
See, that's how you should be able to convince. Okay. I will drop this particular player. I'm at this specified player, but you Bismarck, now, as okay, when say as it is now, Dr. Ogum takes decision all by himself.
Sir.
Basic technical decisions say you know. Me pacho say it's been rumored say nanka ohininyansem me ka IMC head kunyaya nanka ye boycott US trip. Pacho, what is our story?
But you fancy a rumor.
You fancy a rumor. Okay, let's base on this rumor. But Ogum used his powers as IMC member and the coach to insist the team has to travel outside the country. I say everyone at the helm of affairs now is to be blamed because they say the direction of Kotoko now no, it's not that normal club football direction because you say it's a normal club football management NFL coach. Maybe what? If you are conducting interviews, if you are soliciting for proposals, and Sana finally, Oma arriving at one. But in this instance, it's quite different. So I think Sekasi pointed out the problems. You would point out the problems and it's going to affect the team. So yenka mum.